Hola todos and welcome back to the channel. I've been asked to do a few more motorcycle vlogs out and about in Murcia, so in this video I'm going to show you what it's really like to go motorcycle riding at the end of November in southern Spain. So I hope you like it. So we're here. I had a wee fright there when I went to start the bike. The battery felt as if it was almost dead, and yet it's been on charge. But you'll all know the perils of motorcycling, those of you who have one. You're never quite sure what's going to happen next. But we're here anyway, so I'm sure there'll be somebody that gives a push start if we need to. So yes, I'm at this event, and it turns out it's a charity event. I've just pulled up some details on Facebook there. So it's a charity event for a boy who's fighting cancer, and it's the brothers of the Mar Menor that have organised this charity event to raise funds to help this kid. So you know, it's true bikers coming together for a good cause, which you know, I think is fantastic, and these things seem to go on all the time here. So I'm just going to have a wander around and see what's what. So lots of noise in the background, people revving their bikes off the rev limiters, and there's probably going to be some stunts somewhere as well. So let's have a wee walk. So you'll see that there's all manner of different bikes here, all shapes and sizes and makes, all come together for charity. Looks like the carnival's still on as well. And as I say, there's a Sunday market here, so it seems unusual that you would hold this event so close to a really busy and popular Sunday market, but hey, it seems to be working, so more power to their elbows. I'm filming directly into the sun here, so I apologise for the camera angle, but I hope it picks it up okay. So just as I pulled up there was a couple of guys on one on an R1 and one on an R6, and they were having a let's see who can bounce the bike off the rev limiter the longest competition. And I've never understood that mentality. In all the years that I've ridden bikes, I've never understood why people just almost rev their bikes, almost to destruction in some cases. I just don't understand why you want to do it. So I'm just having a look through here. I'm going to get inside the festival tent area, because I think there's little stands and stalls selling various bits and bobs. But there you go. So I know we're in the right place now. I can tell by outside we're in the right place, but it's nice to be inside and know for sure. So this is an area in San Javier called the Festival Tent, and they have all manner of events here. And you'll also see loads of different bike clubs here. So dark side, Murcia, El Paisano, Argaricos, Cosmopolitans. You know, the bike clubs all just get on here. There's none of this nonsense about fighting over turf. And I know they're not backpatch clubs, but you know, it's just nice to see people getting on together.
Bueno, muchas gracias.
On here.
Voy a ser muy breve porque pero sí que aprovecharé la oportunidad para
So they're obviously discussing what the event's all about here for the charity.
daros las gracias
Julian, what is
porque este recinto ferial donde lo pasamos muy bien.
this girl, I'm just going to get a photo of this girl because she turns up everywhere. Every time there's a bike event on,
Siempre que hay eventos de este tipo,
Dexter are fitness.
así que enhorabuena a vosotros por
You can
haber
imagine
puesto
she's
en
quite a
contacto
popular
con
person
nosotros.
to try and
Este es
see.
el primero de muchos. Podéis contar
Thank you,
conmigo,
Scott.
lo sabéis.
Just let you know.
Y que este recinto ferial se llene de gente pasándolo bien y a la misma vez que se acuerde de personas y quiera darle visibilidad
There we go.
a personas como Julián, a un
And
problema
she'll pose for pictures with anyone who wants a photo. She'll pose with them and get the picture taken. So
Muchas gracias.
you can see, look, people just having a beer, having a burger. You can always get little stalls selling t-shirts and bags and belts and everything with skulls on it. All these little rings, bags, belts. You can buy all these as well. So if you're fancying something with a skull on it, you'll definitely find it here. If you like skulls, of course. Aye, so you can see churros and chocolate, very popular, and it's just bikers coming together for a good cause. There'll be something going on in the festival tent, but I don't know what it is. There's lots of seats laid out, so there's probably some kind of concert by a band later on, and a few more little stalls. So just a quick look around this event on the road to where I'm going to head today. So let's get back on the bike and see, first of all, see if it'll start, because it might be an abrupt end to our trip if it just doesn't want to go, but hopefully it will and we can get back on the road. Just all manners of bikes, all just coming together, I see. Yeah, so always a great range of bikes, and you know the surprising thing for me here is, you know, living here full time, it's actually amazing how few motorcycles you see in Murcia province when I'm out and about. You'd expect there to be an awful lot more, but whenever these events come around, it seems to be that, you know, everyone's dragged out the woodwork and get their bikes out for a good cause. So that's always nice. Anyway, let's see if we can get back on the road. So there you are, that's the first little motorcycle vlog for a wee while. Hope you enjoyed it. And again, let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more motorcycle adventures, let me know. And if there's anywhere in particular you think I should be going in the Murcia region, let me know as well. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one. Hasta luego.